In this particular video, what I'm going to do is take some time to thoroughly explain to you exactly what volume candles are all about and why they are so incredibly important for your trading analysis. This explanation, is actually prompted by a really excellent question from one of our valued group members. And by the way, if you happen to see Denise Turcotte watching this, please, do me a favor and say hello. We're talking about TradingView, specifically the premium version, and those really big, significant volume candles that can tell you so much. I will, of course, explain to you in detail how to actually install and utilize these volume candles within your TradingView platform. All you really need to do, in fact, is to make sure you have the premium subscription. Let's come over here to my screen, and you can clearly see right here that I currently have the premium package. There's also an essential package, but for what we're discussing today, premium is what you'll need. Now, if you are interested in getting a special coupon for the premium subscription, I'm going to make sure to put a really useful coupon code right in the description section below this very video. What's more, I'm also going to add an additional rebate, a special discount of $15, specifically for our team members. So once you've gone ahead and subscribed to the premium package, just like this, you'll notice that these are just your normal standard trading candles. Nothing particularly special about them on their own. However, I personally use my own custom Crypto-Quebec indicator, which, as you can see, allows me to visualize volume at 200% of the normal volume. This is definitely a coupon worth diving into. A fantastic offer, if you ask me. And then another one, a plus.
It's completely integrated within the TradingView platform itself. And for those of you who might be interested in getting a completely free training course on the specific techniques that I personally use and recommend, you'll find something very special at the bottom of this video. There, you'll see a link for a free training course. You will simply click on this link and you will gain access to a comprehensive, absolutely free 40-minute training session. This session will not only explain who I am and what I do, but will also provide you with a beginner-friendly strategy where you can realistically achieve an 85% success rate in your trading endeavors. So please remember, the link for this invaluable free training is available either in the bio section or alternatively right at the very bottom of this video. So that pretty much wraps up, this brief tutorial on TradingView, specifically covering how to obtain those incredibly informative volume candles, or what some people might also refer to as volume candlesticks. So that concludes this short but hopefully very informative video. I want to genuinely thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you again very soon.